Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Welcome to Africa. Africa, it's a land of sunshine and adventure. It's home to many amazing animals. Come with me and we'll meet them. We'll see lions, giraffes, and elephants. We'll learn about zebras and rhinoceroses too. Each animal is special. They all have a part to play in Africa. Are you ready for our adventure? Let's go! Look, over there, it's a lion family. The male lion has a big mane. It makes him look very strong. Lions are good hunters. They work together to catch food. The females usually hunt. They are very fast. The male lion protects his family. He is the king of his pride. Lions roar very loudly. You can hear them far away. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Look at their long necks. They use them to eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffes have beautiful patterns on their coats. No two giraffes have the same pattern. They are like walking works of art. Baby giraffes are very cute. They can stand up soon after they are born. Giraffes are peaceful animals. Elephants are the largest land animals. They are very strong but also very gentle. Elephants have big ears, tusks, and trunks. They use their trunks for many things, like drinking water and saying hello. Elephants live in families. The females lead the family group. They look after the babies and teach them how to survive. Zebras are like horses, but with distinctive black and white stripes. Every zebra has a unique pattern. It's like their fingerprint. Zebras live in large groups known as herds, which helps them stay safe from predators. When danger is near, they run very fast. Zebras are very social animals. They communicate with each other by making different sounds and movements. Section 6. Rhinos, armored guardians. Rhinoceroses or rhinos are large and powerful. They have thick skin that looks like armor. Rhinos have horns on their noses, which they use for defense and for digging. Sadly, some people hunt rhinos for their horns. We need to protect rhinos. They are endangered, which means there are not many left in the wild. Section 7. The magic of Africa. Africa is a magical place. It's full of amazing animals and incredible landscapes. From the savannah to the jungle, there's always something to see. We've met lions, giraffes, elephants, zebras, and rhinos. Each animal is special and important to the balance of nature. It's our job to protect these animals and their homes. We need to make sure they are around for future generations to enjoy. Section 8. Protecting our wild friends. Many animals in Africa are in danger. They are losing their homes because people are cutting down trees and building houses. We can all help to protect these animals. We can learn more about them and teach others about the importance of conservation. We can support organizations that are working to save endangered species. Even small actions can make a big difference. Section 9. Keep exploring. Our journey through Africa comes to an end. But the adventure doesn't have to stop here. There's so much more to learn about these amazing animals. Read books, watch documentaries, and visit zoos to discover more. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Remember, every creature has a role to play. Let's work together to protect our wild friends and keep the magic of Africa alive.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, African animals at level A1. Lion. Lion, a large wild cat with a mane, known as the king of the jungle. Example, the lion is my favorite animal because it is strong and brave. Elephant. Elephant, a huge mammal with big ears and a long trunk. Example, I love elephants because they are gentle giants and very smart. Giraffe. Giraffe, a tall animal with a very long neck and legs, known for its unique spots. Example, giraffes are amazing to watch because they are the tallest animals and can reach high leaves. Zebra. Zebra, a wild animal that looks like a horse but has black and white stripes. Example, zebras are interesting because each one has a different pattern of stripes. Hippo. Hippo, a large, mostly herbivorous mammal that spends a lot of time in the water. Example, I like hippos because they are huge but can swim very well. Cheetah. Cheetah, the fastest land animal, known for its incredible speed and agility. Example, I admire cheetahs because they can run faster than any other animal on land. Rhino. Rhino, a large, heavy animal with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Example, rhinos are interesting because they are so powerful and have thick skin to protect themselves. Crocodile. Crocodile, a large aquatic reptile with a long, pointed snout and powerful jaws. Example, crocodiles are fascinating because they have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Gazelle. Gazelle, a small, swift antelope known for its speed and grace. Example, gazelles are so graceful and fast, it's beautiful to watch them run across the plains. Hyena. Hyena, a wild animal that is known for its strong jaws and loud, laughing-like sound. Example, hyenas are intriguing because they are excellent hunters and have a unique call that sounds like laughter.